Hello, little learners. Welcome to the ABC Fruit Adventure. Today, we'll go on a fruity journey from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple. Can you say apple?
To Z, come sing
Apple.
with me. Fruit so sweet from every tree. Pick a fruit, let's
B
sing
is for
along.
banana.
Come and join our
Can you say banana?
fruity song.
Banana!
Ooh,
C is for cherry.
come and join our
Can you say
fruity
cherry?
song.
Cherry!
To Z, come
D
sing
is
with
for
me.
dragon fruit.
Fruit so sweet from every
Can you say
tree.
dragon
Pick a
fruit?
fruit, let's sing along. Come and
Dragon
join our
fruit.
fruity song.
E is for eggplant. Can you say eggplant? Eggplant. F is for fig. Can you say fig? Fig! G is for grape. Can you say grape? Grape.
To Z, come sing with me.
H is for honeydew melon. Can you say honeydew melon? Honeydew melon. I is for iceberg lettuce. Can you say iceberg lettuce? Iceberg lettuce. J is for jackfruit.
Can
you say jackfruit? Jackfruit. K is for kiwi. Can you say kiwi? Kiwi. L is for lemon. Can you say lemon? Lemon. M is for mango. Can you say mango? Mango. N is for nectarine.
Can you say nectarine?
Nectarine. O is for orange. Can you say orange? Orange. P is for pineapple. Can you say pineapple? Pineapple. Q is for quince.
Can you say
quince? Quince. R is for raspberry. Can you say raspberry? Raspberry. S is for strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Strawberry. T is for tomato. Can you say tomato? Tomato. U is for ugly fruit. Can you say ugly fruit? Ugly fruit. V is for velvet apple. Can you say velvet apple? Velvet apple. W is for watermelon. Can you say watermelon? Watermelon. X is for zinnia. Can you say zinnia? Zinnia. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Can you say yellow passion fruit? Yellow passion fruit. Z is for ziziphus. Can you say ziziphus? Ziziphus. Having fun, learners? Click the like and subscribe button for more fun learning. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.